Right, let's talk robots. Figure AI, the San Jose startup making waves in humanoid design, just unveiled their latest creation, Figure O3. It's smarter, lighter, and built not just for factories, but for your home. Yep, we're one step closer to a real-life helper that can tidy up after you, or at least try. Figure AI's been on a sprint. Their first bot, Figure O1, walked in 2023, Figure O2 shipped to paying customers in 2024, now Figure O3 makes a complete overhaul in both hardware and software, all with one goal: make humanoids practical and affordable at scale. The company just raised $1 billion in Series C funding, valuing them at $39 billion, and they are planning to ship 100,000 units over the next 4 years. Not bad for a company barely out of its prototype phase. So what makes Figure O3 special? For starters, it's built for AI reasoning. Using the company's Helix model, the robot's vision system now has double the frame rate, 60% wider field of view, and a quarter-second latency, meaning it sees and reacts much faster than before. Each hand has a built-in palm camera, giving the robot eyes, even when reaching into a cupboard or working in tight spots. Its fingertips are softer, more adaptive, and sensitive enough to detect just 3 grams of pressure. That's basically the weight of a paperclip. It's also 9% lighter and more compact than its predecessors, wrapped in soft textiles for safety, and can wirelessly charge simply by stepping on a 2 kilowatt charging mat. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to the Robot Philosophy website to join the waiting list or to speak to the team directly about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.